We here in the Academic Support and Access Center are thrilled to tell you about Fall 2018 peer tutoring. Before we get started talking about schedules, let's ask ourselves an important but necessary first question. Why peer tutoring in the first place? We think that there are 4 key reasons that students seek out and should seek out peer tutoring. First, it offers a chance to improve performance in a class or on a given topic, to gain clarity on tough topics, to learn or improve on important academic strategies like note-taking, critical reading, exam preparation, and more. And finally, it offers the chance for you to ask questions to and get answers from someone who has been through it before. In addition to other academic supports offered on campus, such as the Writing Center, the Mathematics and Statistics Lab, and CLEAR, or Center for Language Exploration, Acquisition, and Research, the ASAC offers peer tutoring via the Tutoring Lab and the Tutor Request System. The Tutoring Lab provides free one-on-one and group peer tutoring for a variety of 100 to 300 level courses. There are 3 locations, so when scheduling appointments or viewing schedules, you should make sure to take a look at all 3 schedules at american.mywconline.net. The Tutor Request System, on the other hand, offers students a chance to submit a request for tutoring for a course that is not supported in the Tutoring Lab. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this in more detail on the next slide. When you submit a request, a member of the academic support team will contact you to discuss your request. Please note that the last day to submit a request is November 5th. For Tutoring Lab one-to-one appointments, the schedule is posted here, also available on our website. For Tutoring Lab drop-in schedules, the schedule is below. Please note that one-to-one and drop-in schedules are subject to change based on demand. We expect that over the course of the semester, we may add courses and/or hours to these schedules. Please check our website to see the most updated version of our schedules there. If you don't see what you need, you can submit a request. Start off by going to our website, and then on the left-hand side, click on Academic Support Resources. Once there, you will opt for Peer Tutoring, and you'll see in the 3rd block of text down, for classes not supported in the lab, students can submit a request. In the request form, we'll collect information like your name, your email, your course that you're looking for help with, and what specifically you might need assistance with to make sure that you're as successful as possible in this class. If you have questions, if you want to learn more, or if you want to tutor with us, you can check us out online, or you can email tutoring@american.edu. Or, of course, swing by the ASAC in Mary Graydon Center, Suite 243. Hope to see you soon!